Using Google is a part of our everyday life. People look for answers, responses, and solutions online. Aside from that, we search for fun activities on the net. Sometimes, we also seek explanations on the internet to dispute our friends' claims. However, are you aware that you can earn a lot of money from using Google? That's right. There is actually a website that rewards you to do Google searches. It is very accessible as you can use your phone, laptop, computer, and any other gadgets to do this anywhere around the globe. You can actually work from Boracay Beach or from your home bed while waiting in a fast food line or when you're bored at home. As long as you have internet access, you can literally work on these anywhere and anytime. So stay tuned and watch the whole thing all the way to the end, and I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can make some cash right away. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning, and do not be embarrassed by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Alright, let's keep the video rolling. As I have said, I will show you the process of earning money online. Do the instructions that I will tell you properly so that you can already start and make money as soon as the video is finished. Please focus and follow my directions. Always remember that this online Google hack is pretty simple and easy since only two websites will be used. The first one is well known to us as google.com. Later, I'm going to tell you the second website that we will use. Before I start, I want to clear something to you. There are tons of questions about my intentions for sharing these tips to you, especially since I can gatekeep it and earn money for myself. The answer is I want to help a lot of people earn money online because I know that a lot are struggling right now. I'm pretty established already as I own a business model that generates tons of money. I'm not exaggerating when I say tons. I really mean like $750,000 in 14 months or so. To start, the first thing you need to do is search google.com. Leave it for a while and open another tab. The main and second website that we will use together with Google is mindsumo.com. Look for it in the other open tab. Do not get excited and access mindsumo.com alone because you will get lost on how to use it. Watch this video as I will tell you an easy Google hack that will make mindsumo.com give you more money. I will tell you how to put together the two websites just by using Google searches. I will also expound the process of this trick. Just a reminder again to do the instructions properly to earn money. Looking at mindsumo.com, you will notice that they are collaborating with some of the well-known companies throughout the world. This is why I can say that it is really worth it. They are operating with Johnson & Johnson, Starbucks, Disney, Amazon, Pepsi, IBM, Yahoo, Coca-Cola, Facebook, Microsoft, Spotify, American Express, and more. These are some of the best brands in the world. Scroll more and see the amounts that you can make from this. Doing a simple search on Google can amount to this. Clearly, there is money to be earned on this site. All you need to do is to register at mindsumo.com. You might be wondering about how you will do that. You will just simply press the button that has login/sign up on it. To set up a new account, just press the button there. Also, it is free, so you do not need to pay anything. In signing up, enter your personal details such as first name, last name, country, email address, birthday, and a distinct password. You should also enter your gender and assess yourself for the following skills: creativity, marketing, and technical skills. I highly recommend to assess yourself as someone having average proficiency or above average proficiency, despite how skilled you really are. This will give you a higher probability of earning money online. In this video, I will choose average proficiency. Scroll down again, and as you can see it is not necessary to click the following three boxes. It will include you in their email list. That is not our goal, and spam messages or newsletters are not what we want. Instead, Just fill in the next two boxes because it includes their terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. You can access them through the given links. Perform the I am not robot task, then press sign up. With this, you will now have a mindsumo.com account that you can use to earn money. Log into your account and scroll down to know all the challenges, projects, and questions that you can choose to answer and solve. You can get compensation for doing the tasks. The pay is ranging from $100 up to thousands of dollars. On the left side of the screen, you can choose from the various categories that the site has set up. Indeed, there would be a lot of money to be earned in this site because they continuously add new projects, questions, and tasks that you can do to get paid every day. Before we continue, do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video. To continue, I will provide you with some sample tasks. Open this project, and once it loads, you can see the amount you can make in this one alone. Then it will also show you the total budget allotted for the task. The results of the task will also be shown in this page. This is not always the case in all projects. There are more in some of them, so you need to stay with me until the end. I will tell you an easy Google hack that will make you earn money just by utilizing Google search. So, let's go back and pick a few in the categories. As a sample, let's choose computer science. Choose the one that you like from the given tasks. Then click it. The page will show you a question here. This will be the one that you will answer. After answering, you will get a chance to win the indicated amount. So you may ask, how will you answer this? I will tell you the Google hack that you will need to use. First, copy the question given to you, then go back to the Google search tab and paste the question from the site. Hit enter to look for the answer on the Google. Google search engine will redirect you to all these articles. You can check them out and choose one. Like this. Click this and see if it answers the question asked in the site. Luckily, this one provides the exact answer that we're searching for. It also includes an example as well as it is written in a very formal and well-researched way. It will most likely appear or win the most shares. Now that you knew how simple it was to search, you will copy the question, find it on Google, and look for the best answer on the results. Now that you have the answer, you need to format it a little bit. To do it, open another tab and search Google Docs. Choose the blank template, then proceed to the previous article that has the answer and copy it. Switch to the Google Docs and paste the copied answer. Then copy other information from the page again because longer answers are preferred. This is a higher probability of winning and earning money if the answers are deep and long. Now that everything is pasted in the docs, you can now format this. You can edit the font, colors, and rephrase some parts. As a sample, I can change the color into blue or make this part bold. Any changes that you want, do it. You can customize it however you want. It is very accessible and simple, right? Just use Google search for the answer, Google Docs for the format, and it's done. After formatting, look for the file. Then choose download as a PDF file format. Once you are done, just open it to see. It's going to be like this. It looks formal, neat, and well-researched. Since it is already saved, go back to mindsumo.com and submit it. Most likely, you will get a money share from the task. It is important to note that not all money would be yours. It will be distributed to other participants as well. Don't be discouraged. Though, as you have seen how simple this Google hack is, it will most likely take less than 6 minutes of your time looking for an answer. You have the opportunity to earn $100 for free. You will just need to look up the answer on Google. Look for the answer, click the I have an idea button, then log into your account by providing your email and password. After that, just pass the answer to the question. That's it! You have a big opportunity to earn money just by utilizing Google search. There will be no guarantee that you will always win the tasks and earn the prize, but it will not take a while to do Google searches. It's simple and it can be accessed from anywhere. You can do it as your pastime to make some additional money. It is easy, right? That is how you earn money using Google search engine. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.